Hi everyone, we would like to introduce AgentJarvis today. Myself Rajesh and I have Nikhil along with me. Jarvis is an AI-powered personal assistant or chief of staff which can help you for planning your day and execute along with you autonomously taking decisions. Agent Jarvis is powered by NVIDIA NIM LLMs and a retrieval embedding model RAG pipeline and deployed on AWS EKS cluster. Mark is a VP of sales. He has like a calendars and like a bunch of emails and scheduled, and he is overwhelmed with the planning of the day and also Agent Jarvis can help. The Marks will come and he log into the system using his email accounts. This is all integrated with the Google Cloud now. This is on duty and it is working with the NVIDIA NIM LLMs, and the flight plan is generated for Mark. You will see there are 6 events, 14 tasks proceeded, and then you see there are like categories is like LLM helped us like personal, medium, and which is event, and deriving the time of duration to travel, location information, what time they should start if they have to meet to that, right? So that's all calculated here, and you can see that. Hey, there are so many tasks and Mark cannot handle it. Mark is thinking, Agent Jarvis can help me? Sure. And he can come and he can assign some of the tasks to Agent Jarvis. Let's see, okay, I want to assign karate session to Jarvis so that if it can reschedule if I miss it. Oh, lunch with AWS client. Can you please reserve some Atlantic Sea Grill, couple of seats, and then summarize emails today. That sounds good. Let me approve these 3 tasks for Agent Jarvis to do that, and he clicks on start my day. Agent Jarvis works with him along with him in the behind the scenes. See right now. You see there is a summarization of the emails and everything happened. Let's go directly to Mark's email, and then you see, hey, Mark has got like summary of the emails. So the summary of the email not only tells you what it is, but it also derives action items using LLM. Reservation is done for the Atlantic Sea Grill for lunch with the 2 guests. The reservation confirmation code, you have it. Like at the end of the day, Mark can also see his day summary, like how it is day summary looks like by clicking. Very awesome, right? So you can see what Agent Jarvis did, what is coming tomorrow. You can see there is a gym session, so it is setting alarm at 5, the health stat, so that he can motivate and do more. Email summary report, same as what you see in the UI. You get an email summary of the same report. This is Agent Jarvis architecture, right? So Agent Jarvis has an UI, backend, and intelligent systems powered by NVIDIA NILLM and RAG pipelines, and deployed on scalable AWS EKS cluster.
Thanks,
Thank you.